What's going on, everybody? My name is Heavy Duty, and I want to welcome you all to Beats Live with Heavy Duty, episode 2. Today I'm here with my friend Elmo Huth. We went to school together, and he's a face melter on the guitar, but he decided to come in here today and help me out with some guitar loops based on a contribution by my friend Juliana Jane, okay? And today we're going to incorporate the guitar into the beat here, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We got the sample here lined up. So we're ready to record into... Go ahead and test that out real quick. Okay, excellent. Looks like we are ready to rock. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit record, and then we'll just go ahead and take, from this 1 minute sample, we're going to take the best segment and call that our loop for this here beat. Alright? Alright, there's that minute. That's probably going to do just fine. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this sample and chop it up. But yeah, so this series, Beats Live with Heavy Duty, is coming on every single Tuesday, okay? And then I got another series called Versus Live with Heavy Duty. It's coming on every single Thursday, okay? So be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment and give me your email address. You're going to want to send that to heavydutymusic@gmail.com for a chance to win a free beat. And those free beats will be the beats made during this here session, Beats Live, okay? We're going to go ahead and continue. So, Elmo, you want to tell these guys about you at all? Because Elmo's in a band called The Knuckles, and he plays guitar, and he's in a band with a bassist and a drummer. All right? You want to tell them about that at all?
That's an old band, but I have an album coming out probably within the next year. You guys will hear about it.
All right, yeah, and I'll be sure to post that for you guys because Elmo's he's not a believer in the social media.
No.
No.
I'm a conspiracy theorist.
Yes. All right, we're going to keep that. And okay, so let's see here. All samples. Double click on that Elmo. Cool. So when you select a sample, you can bring it up like this and you can chop it up into pieces or you can let it run. I plan on keeping this as a whole loop. I'm not going to chop it up too much, but what I am going to do is I'm going to confine it to a loop that I felt like Elmo played the best. And then we're going to go ahead and rock with that. All right, so let's check that out. So let's, bam, there it is. So now what I gotta do is figure out my tempo, and luckily there's a tap tempo button, so I can just tap along with Elmo's loop, and it'll tell me the tempo. I'm pretty damn sure. We can start dragging kits in because what I'm going to do is go back to track 1 and I'm going to record the loop on this now. Okay. So this is just going to be a real easy. Just got to get it on the first one. So that should be it. So I'm going to go to track 2. You know, one thing I did say was I said organ would sound good on that, huh? Yeah, you can definitely hop in on this if you like. There you go, stop. That shit is ill. Alright, so we're pretty much going to go ahead and call that a beat. I'm going to go ahead and put a quick arrangement on this beat real quick just to get it into a format that we can listen to and write to. Alright? So, I'm going to come back to the song mode. Bam. Put sequence 1. Sequence 1 is going to repeat once. Sequence 2 is going to repeat once. Sequence 3 is going to repeat once. We're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 sequence. Boom. Okay? I'm going to play this for you guys real quick and we're going to call it. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in to Beats Live with Heavy Duty episode 2. And I want to thank my friend Elmo for joining us today. And if you guys subscribe to the channel, leave a comment regarding an idea or a topic for a future beat or a future verse. You can get a chance to win this beat or the beat from last week on Beats Live or a future beat, okay, for a future episode, all right? I want to thank you guys again for tuning in and watching us. Go ahead and vibe out to the beat, and we're going to catch you next week. Take care.